Good morning. I'm Manoj Kumar Jha, Assistant Professor of English, Nandan Sanskrit College, Isapur, Madhubani. It's a constituent unit of Commerce for Sanskrit University, Darbhanga. Today we are going to discuss common errors in English. It is important for Degree 2 students. I'll phone you again in 5 minutes. The sentence is incorrect. Correct one is, I'll phone you back in 5 minutes. Because if you telephone someone, after they have telephoned you, you call, ring, phone them back. For example, put down the receiver and I'll call you back. Next, I would like to visit again some of these places. The sentence is incorrect. Correct one is, I would like to visit some of these places again. Next, I'll give you again my address. The sentence is incorrect. Correct one is, I'll give you my address again. Because again means a second time. Usually comes after the object. For example, it is wonderful to see you again. Would you like to watch the film again? Next, trying to avoid the sheep, he drove his car against a tree. The sentence is incorrect. Correct one is, trying to avoid the sheep, he drove his car into a tree. Because when someone has an accident, they drive, run, walk, crash, bump into something, not against. For example, the lorry skidded on the ice and crashed into a wall. Next, I am at the age of 22. The sentence is incorrect. Correct one is, I am 22 years old. Because correct expression is be plus number plus years old, it is optional. Again, for example, Ramesh is almost 12 or 12 years old. Next, his age is about 55 years old. The sentence is incorrect. Correct one is, he is about 55 or 55 years old. Because we should not use age and years old together. Again, for example, she'll be 16 next August. The usual way of mentioning someone's age is simple be plus number. Next, soon you will be of my age. The sentence is incorrect. Correct one is, soon you will be my age, not of my age. Because correct expression is be my, your, etc. age. Again, for example, when I was your age, I was already going out to work. Or be the same age as somebody. For example, most of my friends are the same age as me. In this way, today we have discussed certain important sentences most commonly mistaken in spoken English. That's all for now. Thank you.